Hey everyone. Today I'm diving into the spooktacular world of Halloween costumes, and who better to spotlight than the ultimate queen of Halloween herself, Heidi Klum. Heidi Klum is known for her jaw-dropping, over-the-top Halloween costumes that completely transform her. Let's take a look at some of her most iconic looks. First up, remember when Heidi turned heads as a realistic old lady? The wrinkles, the veins, the cane. She looked like she stepped out of a time machine. It was all about the details, and she nailed it. And who could forget her epic Jessica Rabbit transformation? With prosthetics that gave her that signature cartoon shape, Heidi became the spitting image of the sultry singer. She absolutely owned it. Of course, there's the unforgettable goth Pippi Longstocking look. Those giant pigtails and the goth twist showed her creative flair. Heidi's not afraid to push boundaries, and that's what makes her so awesome. Then there was the time she went as a butterfly. The wingspan alone was massive, and the vibrant colors made her look like she fluttered right out of a fantasy world. It was enchanting, but let's not forget her incredible Princess Fiona costume. The green skin, the ogre ears, and Shrek by her side. It was like the animated character leapt off the screen. Pure magic. Every year, Heidi Klum sets the bar higher and higher. Her dedication to Halloween and her creativity make her the undisputed Queen of Halloween. She's an inspiration for costume lovers everywhere. Thanks for watching and listening. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and share. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more awesome content. Also check out leroyabrown.ca for even more fun and exciting discoveries. Happy Halloween, everyone!